Hey y'all, so I'm going to be using Easy Braid Professional Kanekalon braiding hair that's colored T1B purple. It ombrades at the end. My hair is clean and freshly blow dried out, so those are my parts. We have 3 sections here. My mom has already sectioned off the hair that she's going to feed into my braids. So we're going to start on the left side of my head, and she is using a feed-in braid technique. I don't really know how to explain much of what she's doing, and so I know she started off with adding in a piece of hair, and then she adds in hair gradually as she braids my hair down into a cornrow for evenness and thickness. Okay, so she is finishing off this side of the braid. She is not going to braid it all the way down to the ends because we're going to connect 2 braids together into one. So she's going to repeat the same steps on the other side. She's just adding in the product here real thorough and brushing it in. Sorry I wasn't able to finish the rest of the clips on this side. It's just me and her filming this. But she's just going to add in here just like she did on the other side. And yeah. So now she's completed both braids. She did not braid both of them down at the very ends because we're going to connect that small piece in the middle. And she's just going to connect those 2 larger braids together with that small piece by creating another braid. So my hair on the side would just be 1 braid hanging. And towards the end of the braid, she's still adding in hair for thickness and fullness of the braid as she tapers off the ends. So to seal my ends, we are going to use a roller to make the end curly, and this is going to prevent the braid from coming unloose as well. So we're going to be using a kettle. She boiled or steamed some water, whatever, in this kettle, and we're going to leave the braid in for about 30 seconds. I'm going to leave the roller on for about 10-15 minutes, and then when I unravel it, it's nice and curly. And so now I'm getting ready for the gym. This is what I'm wearing.
Hey guys, so I'm at the gym and getting ready to train legs.
Alright, so here are the final shots of my hair. And I really love this style. I love how the tips change into a purple color. I've been into purple a lot lately. But let's jump into the workout. So to warm up these legs, I'm going to be doing 30 jump squats. And I am going to be doing a bit of turning here. You don't have to do that. It's just something I do just to change it up, make it a little bit more interesting. Immediately following the jump squats, I'm going to be doing some walking lunges. And I'm going light on the weight here because I'm still warming up. So I think I have 5 or 10 pound dumbbells. I cannot remember. And then after that, I'm going to be doing some more jump squats, but this time I'm going to be touching the floor. I'm going to take a 30-second to minute break immediately after this and then complete another round of these 3 exercises and then jump into my weightlifting. Okay, so for the next exercise, I'm going to be doing some leg press. I'm going to do 4 sets of 20 here. Next, I'm going to be doing single leg extensions. I'm going to do 20 each leg. I do not go heavy on the weight here because it is extremely easy for me to build my quads and they're very strong naturally. So I'm keeping the reps high and the weight low. Next, I'll be doing 4 sets of 30 standing calf raises. And I'm going to be switching up my feet position here just to contract different parts of my calf muscles. So the last leg exercise is 4 sets of 20 to 30 seated hip adductors. And to complete the workout, I'm going to do 20 minutes post cardio on the treadmill. Sometimes I do run here, and I do walk on an incline. I do keep my heart rate up to finish off strong. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see more of, and see you guys next video.